Hey, what is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. And 2009, I just want to make this video and say that 2019 has been a good year, and we have achieved the goal of fully funding our Roth IRA. So the max, as of right now, you can put in is $6,000 into a Roth IRA in 2019. And so as you can see, funding history, we have maxed it out, $6,000 in 2019. We also have another account you can see on the bottom, growth over time. That's just a regular investing account. It's just a regular brokerage. It's no retirement account, no tax advantage, just regular investing account. And that's the one, once I fill up the $6,000 in the Roth IRA, I'll start overflowing into that, which I do have some bills and stuff I have to take care of, so it might take a little bit longer filling up the Roth IRA. But, you know, most people would say it's crazy to have this many stocks, and, it's crazy. You shouldn't do that. You should just put it in like a SPHD or some kind of index fund or something like that, and just let it ride out, and then just go for the 7-8% every year, and eventually at the 30 years you have $1 million, which that is true. And that is possible. And, I'm starting young. I'm 20 years old right now. I'll be 21 in March. So, at 30 years from now, I'll be 51. I won't be able to take it out until I'm 59 and a half. So I will probably likely have over $1 million. But I figure for the first at least 2 years, I'm going to pick not random stocks, but dividend paying stocks. And what my goal here is, if you haven't watched any of my other videos, my goal is to get these stocks paying dividends that will fund itself, because dividends that grow inside your Roth IRA are not taxed. So it's as if any money that grows inside the Roth IRA, you're okay. So those dividends, as long as you don't take them out, you don't have to pay taxes on. So you can do DRIP, or you can reinvest in the companies that you bought or whatever you want. And you can see my top holding is AT&T, then Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, then Disney, which I will likely probably increase my investments in AbbVie. I really like IBM. I'm probably going to up my investments in IBM. And then eventually, probably after the 2 years, I'm going to set this on auto invest. But for right now, we're going to keep track. I'm going to keep showing my Roth IRA, because one day I'll look back on this and I can show all these videos and say, well, yeah, so that's my journey and that's what I did. And you can watch my videos. Nobody's going to be watching right now. I know. I'm getting like 5 views, maybe max. 2 views, 3 views, whatever. But one day I can look back on this. I can show my kids, my family, whoever, and I can look back and I can say, look, if you start young and you invest and, you just put it in over time, ride the market and just take dividends, just watch the companies. If they start cutting their dividends, pull your money, whatever, do what you got to do. So this is an overview of what it looks like of what it looked like in 2019. My Roth IRA, I started in 8/20. Let's see, what month is that? That is, shoot, I'm gonna have to count it up. Is that in October or August? I don't know what month that is. Let's count it up. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Okay, so that is in August. So in August, I started my Roth IRA, and I only had 4 months to max it out. I took 4 months and I maxed it out, and this year I'm probably not going to be lucky enough to max it out as fast as I did, which is good, which I'll have more the whole year to invest into it, and I'll likely be putting in $500 a month. That way it'll diverse over the year, and I can get, if there's a price decrease in the stocks, then I'll be able to buy them. But yeah, so this is my chart of what it looks like. You can see most of those little jumps is when I'm putting money in, but you can see it's gradually just going up, and it's been great so far. In 2019, we made money. We are up $485, and earned dividends. We have made $49.85 in the year of 2019, which is amazing, and I'm so thankful for the dividends, and I'm so glad that I got started. And I'm looking forward to 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little update. I'm going to keep updating as I fill up the Roth IRA. You know what? I might just do $1,000 deposits, do a $1,000 deposit, and then I'll do an update video there. And that would probably be a little bit more entertaining than the $500. So this is my portfolio. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, this is all my opinion. Do not follow what I do. What works for me might not work for you, and you know, the prices will be different. You know, once you start investing, you have to do your own due diligence, study stocks, study their balance sheet. You know, but really, you don't even really have to do all the complicated stuff. Just find you some dividend aristocrats, make sure they pay their dividend for years, and bam. It's just that easy. You know, I'm not a genius. You know, there's a lot of people that's, you know, very rich out of the stock market, and they're not geniuses. They just stayed consistent over time, and that's exactly what it is, consistency. If you stay consistent and keep investing, you'll be all right. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please drop a like, comment below, subscribe. Thanks for watching once again, and I will catch you guys in the next video.